Hi there, everyone. So I just wanted to do a quick overview, and this is for all classes, even though it says publication design here. You guys are all doing, have a similar information in your syllabus, and the requirements schedule is going to be different for each class. A lot of the same things that you're going to do in week one are the same as well. So I wanted to do one so that I am not making 4 separate videos. First thing I wanted to do, because it's easy for me to forget, I don't put this together, but this is a Blackboard orientation. This is in all of the Blackboard courses that are Ultra. This is the newest version of Blackboard. I felt like if there was a newer version out there, I wanted to be working on that and not older technology. So I've now learned 2 different versions of Blackboard since the pandemic hit. This is a little bit more streamlined, and I wasn't sure how I felt about it at first, but I actually kind of prefer it. I'm hoping that you do too, because it was a choice that I made. So read through these. These things have videos that explain how to, for example, update your profile. And so, for example, I'm assuming that if you wanted your name to be listed as something other than Chris Casper, you might be able to do that, but I don't know. But everybody's required to update this. I need everybody to have a photograph. I want a photograph, not an illustration. I love your drawings, but I think that we need to see each other's faces, and it will be helpful when we're going through the discussion boards. So make sure you go through that. You're not required to do it, but I highly encourage you to do it, because there's stuff in there that I'm not going to cover because it's covered here. The welcome syllabus requirements and schedule is, all very similar. Everybody's schedule is going to be different, but your technical requirements and your software and all of that. This is really important. Make sure that you're going into student services. You'll find information for the tech desk, which I already have talked about, the YSU Writing Center, so it's a great resource for you. So make sure that you've read through and looked through all of this and asked questions if you need to. I'm saying that because you're going to be doing your introduction. Everybody in every class is going to be doing their introduction, but you're also going to be doing this, which requires that you've read through all the posts under Welcome Syllabus Requirements and Schedules and responded to this discussion post. And you notice that you're getting 5 points over here. It says 5 points. If you click on this item is graded with a rubric, you'll see what the rubric looks like, and you're noticing that it's, my 5-point depth and requirements rubric. I have 3 different rubrics, one for critiquing, progress critiquing, one for 5-point daily posts, which you can see are excellent, above average, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, or poor. And then I also have a 20-point rubric for your graded projects. So this is new. Last semester I wasn't grading with a rubric because I was just trying to keep my head above water, but over the summer I've learned all about Blackboard again because it's a new Blackboard. All right. So the other thing is you're going to be watching all of these videos. I have a welcome. This is the overview that I'm filming now, and I posted Hamilton's one shot I love this, and I mention it in my welcome video. I just think it's a great musical, and I think it'll be surprising to you when you listen to it, and I think you should just listen to just this one song, and then maybe you'll go to Disney Plus and watch it. Anyway, I'm just kind of obsessed with it, and we're singing it all over our house, even though we only have one line, and then we repeat it over and over again. Anyway, so that is kind of what I wanted to cover, just to kind of get your feet wet. As I said, this section up here where it has a Blackboard orientation is going to give you full details on things like, you know, where do I check grades and feedback? You know, it's going to have this information and this information and this information. By the way, you'll notice that I do have analytics in this version, so it tells me when you were on and how long you were on and what days you were on and if you were on for multiple times during one day. So just keep that in mind, that that is there. And that's it. Anyway, I will see you in class.